Thanks for joining us today to learn about the wonderful world of wheat. Wheat is a crop that is grown around the world, mostly in cooler climates. China, India, Russia, and the United States are the top wheat-producing countries in the world. 1/3 of Earth's population relies on wheat as a staple in their daily diets. In the United States, the top wheat-growing states are Kansas, North Dakota, Washington, Montana, and Oklahoma. Illinois ranks 11th in wheat production in our country. States grow different types of wheat based on their growing region. Some wheat is planted in the spring, while others are planted in the fall. This type of wheat is called winter wheat. In Illinois, we grow primarily soft red winter wheat. So why are there so many different types of wheat? Each type of wheat is used for different types of food items. Wheat varieties have different levels of gluten, a protein in wheat that gives the food structure or glues it together. Durum wheat has the most gluten, so it's used mostly to make pasta. Soft red winter wheat doesn't have as much gluten, so it's used to make softer foods, like cookies or donuts. Hard red wheat is used mostly for bread. Let's learn more about how farmers grow this important crop. In Illinois, farmers plant wheat in September or October. The machine they use is called a drill. It drills the tiny seeds into the soil at exactly the correct depth. This tractor and drill can plant many acres in a day. An acre is about the size of a football field. This farmer is planting 16 acres per hour. He will plant about 120 acres in a day. The drill is placing the seeds into the field of the previous crop. This type of farming practice is called no-till, which means the soil is not disturbed. This method reduces soil erosion and keeps nutrients in the soil for the new crop. In about 10 days, the seeds will sprout and continue to grow until the first hard freeze when the temperature goes below 32 degrees. This usually occurs by late October. Once the crop freezes, it will go dormant for the winter. The plant does not die, but rather sleeps through the winter. Snow on top of the field insulates the wheat and protects it from ice and temperature changes. Just like our lawns, when spring arrives with warmer temperatures, rain, and sunshine, the winter wheat crop will turn into a beautiful green field. The crop will continue to grow until it is about 3 feet tall. A wheat plant has roots, a stem, leaves, head, and even a beard. The head contains an average of 30 to 50 seeds, which are called kernels. The beard is a protective mechanism which deters animals from eating the seeds. When the plant turns golden brown, it's come to the end of its life cycle. Harvesting of wheat occurs between late June and July each year. The wheat is harvested with a machine called a combine. The combine cuts the wheat off the ground and removes the kernels from the head of the plant. The kernels are collected into the top of the combine. The rest of the plant is sent out the back of the machine and either collected for straw, for animals, or chopped up for fertilizer for the field. Once the combine is full, the wheat is loaded into wagons or trucks and taken to a local grain elevator. An elevator is a company who will buy the wheat from the farmer. The elevator will sell the wheat to a company who will grind it into flour. The flour will be purchased by consumers and other companies who will use it to make all types of baked goods and pasta. Thanks for joining us on a wonderful wheat adventure.